Welcome to the Ancient Wisdom Channel. How can you engage nature to collaborate for your benefit? All of nature is alive and conscious. Even if we can't perceive it, at the subtlest level, even rocks are moving. They are radiating energy and forming in the living earth and decomposing slowly. They and all things exist because of our consciousness. Quantum physics confirms this. And so everything is connected by consciousness and energy. Although we're not consciously aware of that, just like we are not aware of our heartbeat, our breathing, and most internal body functions, still they are going on. And so nature is interacting with us at all times. Even if you live in a busy city, nature is interacting from under the ground to all the way out into the universe, especially our own solar system. This is why karmic action remedies work. They have an effect because when we do something, we are affecting the continuum that we are connected to, and we are connected to each other and everything else. So how can we affect nature to collaborate and cooperate for our benefit? For nature to bring us the most positive results? Today I'll share one simple karmic remedy that practically anyone can do. Here's a simple example. Let's take a tree. A tree has its roots in the earth and its branches and leaves up in the air. Through these, it contacts the small creatures that live in it, that live in the ground. Thousands of ants, worms, small plants. The trunk and branches give habitat to more creatures, birds making nests, squirrels, maybe lizards. The earth is connected to the ocean and all of its creatures, and this connection makes up our entire planet. So take 5 minutes out of your busy day to go to a tree, especially one you love. Bring it a little water. Then put your hands on it, on the trunk if you can, and wait until you feel the strength, the energy, and the power of that tree. Then say, in your favorite language, "Thank you for feeling me. Thank you for healing me." I promise that this tree is feeling you. It feels and detects the energy in your body and aura. It feels just what you need. And so it will transfer the message to all of nature, the earth, the creatures, the birds, the air, and the water, spreading the message. So all of nature will receive the message of your love, whatever you need, and it will collaborate together to bring you what's best, even through other people. There's more to this. To collaborate with people you love, share this video. That also has a ripple effect. To take these remedies to the next level and learn more, subscribe to this channel. If you would like a reading or consultation for body and spirit, email me as in the description and comment sections. Lots of love, blessings, and namaste.